This module, titled The Epistemology and Neurobiology of Emotional Intelligence, Advanced Theoretical Grounding, delves into a sophisticated analysis of the foundational models and neurobiological underpinnings of emotions. The primary objective is to transcend popular interpretations of emotional intelligence, EI, and instead forge a rigorous academic understanding grounded in seminal theories and contemporary scientific discoveries. The module initiates with an exploration of different models of emotional intelligence, focusing on the contrasting paradigms of the ability-based framework championed by Mayer, Solovey, and Caruso, and the mixed models as proposed by thinkers such as Daniel Goleman. Each framework posits different mechanisms for understanding and measuring EI, with Mayer, Solovey, Caruso focusing on the specific ability to process emotional information and utilize it in reasoning, while Goleman's mixed model encompasses a broader array of competencies, including social skills and personal motivation. Attention is given to the psychometric validity and empirical support for these models. The module critically assesses existing literature and studies that evaluate the applicability, reliability, and predictive power of these frameworks in diverse settings. Through this analysis, students are encouraged to develop a discerning perspective on what constitutes robust and credible emotional intelligence research. Further grounding the academic exploration of EI, the module integrates findings from effective neuroscience. It examines the neurobiological substrates integral to emotional processing, chiefly discussing the roles of the limbic system, prefrontal cortex, and the influence of vagal tone. The limbic system, which includes structures such as the amygdala, is pivotal in emotion regulation and response, playing a central role in the processing of fear and pleasure. The prefrontal cortex is discussed in the context of its functions in planning complex behaviors, personality expression, decision-making, and moderating social behavior. It is instrumental in the higher-order processes that govern emotional responses and emotional challenges. Vagal tone, indicative of the activity of the vagus nerve, is explored for its capacity to regulate emotional and physiological states, emphasizing the physiological underpinnings of emotional self-regulation and resilience. Through this module, students gain a comprehensive understanding of the epistemological and neurobiological aspects of emotional intelligence. This foundation is critical for evaluating EI research rigorously and for integrating this knowledge into professional practice effectively, ensuring that interventions and strategies are informed by a scientifically substantiated understanding of emotions and emotional intelligence. The outcome of this intellectual pursuit is the formulation of a methodological framework that students can apply to future research and practice, ensuring that their understanding of emotional intelligence is both deep and actionable. The module ultimately aims to bridge the theoretical with the practical, equipping students with both the knowledge and the critical thinking skills necessary to advance the field of emotional intelligence in their respective endeavors.